wonderful foodies, how are you all doing? Today let's prepare my family's favorite chicken appetizer, that is chicken 65, which has loads of flavor from the chilies, garlic and the unique spice blend to just pep up your palate. So let's get on to the recipe. So for this, in a large mixing bowl, I have taken 450 grams of boneless chicken. I have cut that into this bite-sized pieces and we are going to give this first marination. So for the first marination, I am going to add in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then I'm adding a tablespoon of red chili paste. For this I've simply soaked in few Kashmiri red chilies and then I've made a fine paste in the blender. But in case if you don't want to do that, you can simply add more of dried red chili powder. We are doing that just to give the extra spiciness and color to the dish. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of dahi, that is yogurt. This is plain dahi. Mix everything really well. So this is the first marination. I'm also adding 1 egg beaten for this much quantity, but in case if your quantity is less of chicken, then you can simply add half egg beaten. This will give nice coating and crunchiness to the chicken pieces. So guys, few people don't like to add egg in the marination. If you want, you can simply skip it, but I'm doing that just for slight crunchiness, coating and binding of the chicken. Oh, I forgot to add the curry leaves, so here I'm adding few curry leaves finely chopped. Mix that as well and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, you can see the coating is slightly stuck to the chicken pieces. At this stage, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, followed by 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch and a tablespoon of rice flour. I'm also adding a teaspoon of lemon juice and mix everything so that all the chicken pieces are nicely coated with the second marinade too. And guys, just keep one thing in mind, do not add too much of flour or too much of corn flour, otherwise you'll get that pakoda taste, like the coating will be so thick that you won't be able to enjoy. I'm also adding a pinch of food color just to give that restaurant style look. If you want, you can simply skip it and add a little more Kashmiri red chili powder or paste here. Mix that really well. And that's it guys, it took me just 5 minutes to do all this. These chicken pieces are ready to fry. So next up, here I've heated enough oil for frying. I'm going to drop one by one all the chicken pieces into this medium-high heat oil. Make sure your oil is on medium-high flame, because if you'll fry these on high flame guys, then your chicken will get brown coating on outside and it will remain raw inside. So cook this on medium-high flame for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's cooked through from inside and outside as well. So I feel the chicken pieces are done enough. It has got a nice crunchy coating outside, good color. I'm going to remove them out. And likewise, you can fry all the batches. Let's remove them on this. So I'll just shake and show you. You can hear that crunchiness. Guys, if you want, you can enjoy as it is with some ketchup or dip on the side. But we are going to take the taste of this chicken into different level. So for that, in a big wok, I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it is heated, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of zira or cumin seeds, followed by a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Cook that for about 30 to 40 seconds or until the garlic is slightly golden brown in color. And then I'm going to add 2 to 3 green chilies slit, 2 to 3 dried red chilies, 10 to 12 curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of red chili paste, which I used earlier, but instead you can again use red chili powder here. Mix it And then I'm going to sprinkle very little water here so that the paste doesn't burn. So this super flavorful and vibrant red colored base is ready. To this I'm going to add in the earlier fried chicken pieces. Oh my god, it looks so tempting as it is also. And then I'm going to toss for about 2 to 3 minutes, that's it. Or until the chicken pieces are nicely juicy and coated with the red colored base, that is the Kashmiri red chili powder, the garlic, and for all the masalas which we have used here. Isn't it looking lovely and gorgeous, guys? So that's it, guys. Do not cook further. It's ready to dish up. I'll break one piece and show you. It's so juicy, nicely coated outside, lovely base, and it's soft and tender within, just like the way it should be. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if yes, then do like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And you can also check out all my socials in the description box below in case you plan to follow me there. I'll see you soon. Much love. Bye bye.